4150 hold. That is essentially a medical health hold.
Spears, can you tell us what's going on? How's Britney doing?
So around this time, Jamie, Britney's father, files for a temporary conservatorship over Britney.
We hope the best for your daughter, sir.
Conservatorships are a unique legal arrangement, usually designed for elderly people who are unable to take care of themselves or their money. The court gives someone else special powers to make decisions for them. It's unusual because Britney is so young and productive. But there's speculation that she may be dealing with mental illness issues or drug abuse issues, or otherwise would benefit from this layer of protection. And it's sort of surprising in that Jamie wasn't a huge figure in her life before this. My name is Vivian Lee Thoreen. I was involved as an attorney of record for the first few months of the conservatorship proceedings. Our client was Jamie Spears, Britney's father. I can't talk about anything specific that I did, but I guess I could talk about it in a more like hypothetical situation. Courts take conservatorship proceedings really seriously, and that's because I think every person's rights are sacred. There are rules and procedures in place to make sure that there's accountability, and really the theme of conservatorships is to act in the conservatee's best interest. Some people need a conservator just of the person. I need help figuring out what I'm gonna eat, where I'm gonna live, and help brushing my teeth, that sort of thing. Having a conservator of the estate appointed for someone is that they are substantially unable to manage their financial affairs, or they are susceptible to undue influence or fraud. It's more than just, I can't balance my checkbook, it's, I could be duped into giving away my money. It seems like undue influence was a real concern for Britney's parents.
Get out of her face. I mean, now. Let's go there.
Is he gonna get a restraining order against Sam?
They filed for a restraining order against Sam Lutfi. They allege in court documents that Lutfi had taken control of Britney's life, her house, and her finances, and even had been drugging her.
Sam, can you tell us something?
Lutfi denies the allegations,
Can you tell us anything?
but the court grants a restraining order.
Keep going. Keep going right now.
But Lutfi never seems to really exit the picture.
Keep going.
He later sues the family and pops up in subsequent restraining orders as recently as 2019. One day after Britney was hospitalized, the court grants a temporary conservatorship. Britney's dad gets appointed the conservator of her person. Then in terms of Britney's money, he also gets appointed conservator of her estate alongside an attorney named Andrew Wallet.
Just 6 days after being taken to the hospital against her will in an ambulance under police guard, the troubled pop star was released without fanfare
Shocking
Wednesday.
developments in the sad story of Britney Spears. She's now out of the hospital. She went straight from there to the Beverly Hills Hotel, of all places. All that and more, Larry, at the top of the hour.
That's Anderson Cooper at 10. You want to say
I was
something?
going to say, it'd be less sad if we just left her alone. I mean, why don't we just leave her alone and let her just go on with her life?
I'm Adam Streisand. I am a trial lawyer, and my practice is focused on conservatorships and battles over estates.
Hi, Britney. How you doing, sweetheart? Good to see you.
I got a call from Britney's family law attorneys and asked me if I would speak to Britney because, well, the whole world knew that her father was trying to